Around the world, humans are destroying the planet's precious rainforests and the animals that live in them at a terrifying rate. In Southeast Asia alone, orangutans have lost more than half of their habitat to palm oil plantations. In response, Chester Zoo launched the Sustainable Palm Oil Challenge in October 2017 and joined forces with the University of Chester to promote responsible and sustainable farming of palm oil.
The university was an obvious choice for us. With all the students there, they could have a big influence, and also because of the size and scale of the catering operation, they could make a real difference.
It was a huge task. Palm oil is used in more than 50% of supermarket products, thousands of everyday items, but external suppliers couldn't always guarantee how it was produced. In just a few months, the university's dedicated catering team had meticulously checked all ingredients and worked with its 13 suppliers to ensure that every product contained only sustainably sourced palm oil.
We are really passionate about the sustainability and what happens to the environment. We were quite alarmed with some of the products that we just never thought for 1 second there would be palm oil in. So we really had to go back to basics with the supply chain to encourage them to actually start to look at it.
The campaign was rolled out across the university's large catering operation and encouraging 1,800 staff and over 20,000 students to support the initiative. The university was rewarded with Sustainable Palm Oil Champion status. It then encouraged restaurants and 52 other local partners to make Chester the very first sustainable palm oil city in the world in March 2019. Significantly, the university's pioneering approach has transformed the supply chain in the higher education sector in the UK. We are advising TUCO, the university's catering organisation, on how to implement new systems for food manufacturers to source sustainable palm oil. They supply 185 universities and colleges in Britain, potentially reaching more than 2.5 million students and staff. To date, the campaign has had a huge impact, raising awareness and creating demand for sustainable palm oil in so many sectors.
I think we've started something really big here, which is going to affect the whole of the catering industry across the UK and hopefully the way things are going internationally as well.
It's vital we continue to increase awareness and demand for sustainable palm oil. And the University of Chester, Chester Zoo and its partners are leading the way.
Thank you.
Thank you.